Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. Today we'll see how to make yummy clear chicken soup. For this we need a tablespoon of butter. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 green chilies. Add a 1/4 cup of spring onions and saute them well. Now let's use 1 tablespoon of freshly crushed pepper. I've already boiled chicken with water, turmeric, salt and pepper. Let's fry the boiled chicken. You know guys, when frying the chicken with some butter and pepper, it gives a good taste. Add half a tablespoon of pepper and fry them for 5 minutes. Now let's add 2 cups of chicken stock. Cover and let it boil for 5 minutes. Add the remaining crushed pepper. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Let's add 1 beaten egg and stir continuously. Now let's cook this for another 5 more minutes. And that's it, our yummy chicken clear soup is ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching.